Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mimi's Shopping. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a tour of some of the most amazing living room pieces I've discovered at Ikea. As I wandered through the store, a symphony of colors caught my eye. From serene blues reminiscent of clear skies to deep greens evoking the lushness of forests, and the comforting beiges that exude a sense of coziness. It's a palette that speaks to our need for both calm and vibrancy. And interestingly, black is making a sophisticated comeback, adding a touch of elegance to the mix. In the past, white might have taken center stage, but it seems to have made way for a new chapter in interior design. There's a captivating shift towards embracing simplicity, serenity, and a fusion of expressive colors. The concept of home is evolving into a canvas for personal expression and comfort. You notice the intriguing industrial aesthetic gracing some of these pieces? The interplay between metal and wood creates a captivating juxtaposition, adding a dash of modernity while preserving the timeless charm. Moreover, the presence of natural, unpainted wood introduces an organic element, effortlessly merging the indoors with the outdoors. It's an open invitation to integrate greenery and bring a touch of nature indoors. my quest to curate a welcoming ambiance, I've introduced curtains and lamps that harmonize effortlessly. The result? A sanctuary that encourages relaxation, setting the stage for tranquil moments and cherished memories. It's remarkable how these elements can transform a space into an oasis of calm. Now, you might be pondering whether the trend of relaxed, effortless interiors has truly taken hold. I wholeheartedly believe it has, and the response has been overwhelmingly positive. If you resonate with this design philosophy, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to share in the comments. And if you're as passionate as I am about finding inspiration for your living space, stick around. I've got a lineup of insightful reviews and exciting discoveries that span from captivating decor pieces to innovative kitchen essentials. Your journey towards a curated, functional space continues with every video. And until next time, wishing you all an ambiance that's both inviting and inspiring. Warmly, Mimi.